Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learning Hub. In this video, I'm sharing you about one of the beautiful speech on our national flag. This speech is useful for LKG, UKG and grade 1 kids. So let's start the speech. Good morning everyone. My name is Sri Daityagna. I am studying UKG in Smira School. Today I am going to speak about our national flag. Our national flag has three colors. It is also called as Tiranga. The three colors are saffron, white and green. The saffron color is at the top. It indicates the strength and courage of our country. White is in the middle. It indicates the peace and truth of our country. Green is at the bottom. It indicates prosperity, fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. In our national flag, there is a Ashoka Chakra in the center. It has 24 spokes. Every spoke has its own significance. We have to respect our national flag. Finally, I love my country very much. Jai Hind. మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే ప్లీజ్ డూ లైక్ షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్ లెర్నింగ్ హబ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్